Dear Rinpoche, if someone we know is terminally ill or is in their deathbed, what prayers or mantras should we do to help make their passing more at ease, or minimize their suffering, or just help in some way?
There are many things that can be done for the person. I will list a few and you can choose what you can do. 1. If they have a yidam, then the self-initiation of the yidam, for those with higher tantric initiations like Vajrayogini, Heruka, Yamantaka, and Guhya Samaja only, should be done for them. 2. Releasing of animals as much as possible. 3. Printing of Dharma texts for distribution up to your means. 4. Making offerings to Sangha as much as you can. 5. Recitation of any sutra for them by Sangha is wonderful. 6. Offering a token amount to high lamas and requesting prayers. 7. Donating to the creation of stupas, decoration of temples or Dharma talks. Any teacher giving a Dharma talk, contribute to it. 8. Practice of the 35 confessional Buddhas done sincerely and daily is very important. 9. If too sick, then any mantras such as Chenrezig's mantra or the mantra of their yidam is fine. 10. Making offerings of water, incense and light to the 3 jewels is very excellent. These above would be very helpful. I wish the best in whatever outcome. Tsem Rinpoche.